My heartiest greetings to the ones watching this video. I, Ankit Kumar Roy, along with my project team partners Aniket Jaiswal and Ankit Singh, have completed this project titling Lung Cancer Prediction Using Machine Learning under the guidance and supervision of Assistant Professor Mr. Jaya Shukla. Before starting, I would like to thank Assistant Professor Mr. Jaya Shukla, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, ABESIT Ghaziabad, for her constant support and guidance throughout the work. Here is the content page. We'll start with the mission and vision, the introduction, literature survey, problem statement, proposed workflow, working, results, algorithms used, conclusions, research paper and publication details, and the references. Here is the mission and vision of the Computer Science Department, ABESIT. Now let us begin with the introduction of our project. Today, cancer is one of the major health problems worldwide. Cancer research in the 21st century has become one of the most common efforts. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, based on 2002 dataset, estimated that the numbers of cancer patients are 25 million, and the American Cancer Society in 2004 announced that officially cancer would replace heart diseases as the main cause of death. We apply machine learning techniques to this dataset to analyze specific to lung cancer, with the goal to evaluate the predictive power of the techniques. Now the literature survey. A lot of classifiers have already been used to predict the lung cancer survival outcome of the patients, and some of them have proved to give great results. In this project, we have used two of the most popular classifiers, that is, the logistic regression and the support vector machine, to predict the survival outcome of lung cancer patients. These two classifiers have already been tested and gave an accuracy of 77.4% and 76.2% respectively. But here we have added about more than 20 attributes in the feature selection to gain an even more and better accurate compared to the old ones. Now let us move to the problem statement part. Diagnosis of lung cancer is done medically. In general, the patient will be aware when the cancer is in advanced stage. Smoking is undoubtedly the principal basis of lung cancer. Sometimes the patient gets the existence of malignant cells early by accidentally. Now, these types of advanced analytics can provide better information to doctors at the point of patient care. Having easy access to the blood pressure and other vital signs when I see my patient is routine and expected. Imagine how much more useful it would be if I was also shown my patient's risk for stroke, coronary artery disease, and the kidney failure based on the last 50 blood pressure readings, lab test results, race, gender, family history, socioeconomic status, and latest clinical trial data. We need to advance more information to clinicians so they can make better decisions about patient diagnosis and treatment options, while understanding the possible outcomes and cost for each one of them. Now, the proposed workflow. These are the main steps which we will be following throughout the work. We will take a dataset of lung cancer as input. We will remove the missing values from the dataset. Then, the normalization of the dataset will be done. We will then divide the dataset into two parts. One will be the training part and the other will be the test dataset. We'll apply SVM and logistic regression classifier techniques on the training dataset. We'll then analyze the model, and at last we will compare the output of both the classifiers. Now here are some of the snippets of the working code. As you can see, we have imported a lot of libraries of Python like NumPy, Matplotlib, Pandas, and sklearn. Here we have imported logistic regression from sklearn. Also we have imported SVM from sklearn. We got an accuracy of 0.893. Here is the result part. As you can see, the logistic regression part carries an accuracy of 0.875, whereas the SVM part carries an accuracy of 0.893. This is the precision table, the recall table, and the F1 score. Now, the algorithms used. In our model, we have used two algorithms to predict the results. First is the logistic regression, and second, the support vector machine. The logistic model is used to model the probability of a certain class or event existing, such as pass-fail, win-lose, alive dead, or healthy sick. This can be extended to model several classes of events, such as determining whether an image contains a cat, dog, lion, etc. Each object being detected in the image would be assigned a probability between 0 and 1, and the sum adding to 1. Whereas the SVM, the support vector machine, are supervised learning models related to learning algorithms related to data analysis used and classification. Vector machine is a non-complicated reference line. It is supported by a mathematical learning concept. Hyperplane is drawn near large points in a dataset. The SVM algorithm is a font that better separates the two classes. Here is a figure explaining the SVM model. We come to the conclusion of the model. In this study, data cleaning, feature selection, splitting, and classification techniques have been applied for predicting survivability of lung cancer as accurately as possible. This project reveals that the support vector machine classifier gives the topmost accuracy of about 0.893, that is 89.3%, compared to the logistic regression classifier, which gives an accuracy of 87.5%. We'll move on to the research paper and publication details. Our research paper, entitled Lung Cancer Prediction Using Machine Learning, has been reviewed and published in the International Journal of Research and Engineering, IT and Social Sciences, that is the IJREISS, on 5th May 2020. Here are some of the snaps. These are some of the references that we used to gain some information about our project, and they helped us throughout of them. At last, I would like to thank you all for being such a patient listener.